Let me show you how we can enter and exit the Fastboot mode on the Motorola Edge 70. So in order to go to the Fastboot mode, first of all, we need to turn off our phone. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the power button and volume up button so that we can open the power menu. And then we're gonna power off our phone. We need to wait for the phone to completely turn off. And once that happens, you want to press and hold the power button and volume down button. And we will need to hold these two buttons until you are in the Fastboot mode. So now I'm pressing and holding these two buttons. There we go. We are in the Fastboot mode pretty much immediately. And in this menu, we can navigate by using volume buttons. So we can use up and down in order to choose a different option. And if you want to exit the Fastboot mode, you can simply find the start option and use the power button in order to confirm your choice. So then we will exit the Fastboot mode and the phone should turn itself back on. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.